Hi guys, welcome to another alcoholic unboxing with Thomas. Today I am enjoying a Goudale Grand Cru. I've never had this before, but it looks quite fancy. A friend gave it to me, so cheers guys. Yeah, not bad actually. Right, so it took me a while to find this. It got lost in the building I shipped it to. But it's fine, I got it here. It's been a bit of a slow start this year, so let's dive straight in. I had originally intended on ending the last year with a big video, but unfortunately the keyboard I hoped to cover got several delays, and I didn't want to finish, well, I didn't want to cover a half-finished keyboard, so I figured, well, we'll just delay it. And as a result, it's been a little bit quiet on the keyboard front, but that's okay. I don't mind having a holiday every once in a while, right? But there is an enormous amount of tape on the outside of this box. Yeesh. Whew. Let's see. Hope I don't cut my finger open here. Yeah. Jesus. It's a fairly small box, as you can see. And I must admit, I thought it would be bigger as well. I think it might be a different form factor than what I remember. Sometimes I forget actually what stuff is coming to me. Okay, I think I managed to dismantle it upside down. Go. Go away. And that one too. Cool. It is the Keydous NJ98-CP. Now, I've covered, I think it's 2 Keydous keyboards before, but they were traditional contact-based keyboards. I think there were deep sea eyelet switches and another one, possibly Gateron yellows. But as it turns out, now they're making keyboards with contactless switches, and this one even has adjustable actuation, so I figured I should take a look at it. It's kind of become my specialty. I've always run the channel on reviewing different switches than mainstream ones. But now that contactless switches have become more mainstream, that's definitely something I'd like to take a look at. So, oh wait, there's a huge amount of text on the back of the keyboard. Okay, so let's see. So, it looks like we have the black model and magnetic switch plus mech switch. So this is not a fully contactless keyboard, I guess. And shadow keycaps. I don't know how well any of this will show on the camera. I doubt it will show very well. And a lot of text on the back. Blah, 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 blah. Introduction to the 4 modes of Keydous rapid trigger keyboard. Magnetic switches. Comfort mode, default with key triggering at around 2mm. Switch to this mode with FN.Q. Oh, interesting. So, the adjustable actuation. Wow, I don't think I've ever seen that before. You guys have to remind me if I forgot about one of them, but it looks like you can set the actuation without software, just with hotkeys on the keyboard. No, I have seen that before. I forgot which one. I think it was F1 to F12 or something on that particular keyboard. Anyway, it's a little bit different here. It also has rapid trigger function, it seems. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. Right. Additionally, in the driver settings, you can configure different key positions and travels for Profile 1 and Profile 2. blah, 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 blah. Okay, you can switch between them. Well, that's fine, whatever. Now, let's take a look at the actual keyboard. Open, motherfucker. Jesus Christ. Man, this thing does not want to give up its secrets. Is it taped somewhere? No. It's just really tight. Right, there you go. So it is full size. Yeah, so I remembered. Oh no, it's slightly less than full size. Of course, 98. Yeah, no, that makes sense. Blah. Okay. So this is a 98% keyboard again. I think I also did a 98% keyboard by Keydous a while ago. But that one was mechanical, and this one is, well, apparently mechanical and magnetic. It is also blank. They didn't mention that. Actually, it looks kind of cool. Like this on the camera. It looks almost like metal or something. Like it's reflecting off of metal. It's not. It's just a color gradient on the keycaps. Oh, I see. They're not entirely blank. They're written on the front. Oh, how the hell am I gonna get that on camera? Yeah, can you see that? Probably not. I mean, I can barely see it myself, especially on the kind of mid-tone keys. Well, anyway. What else is in here? Just yep, there you go. Secret compartment in the bottom. Keydous, wow, this manual looks like it's from from the 90s. It's got that thick, slightly discolored paper. Wow, interesting. Blah, 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 lithium battery, not waterproof, blah, 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 blah. Okay, Bluetooth, yeah, whatever. Ooh, interesting. Key calibration operation instructions. That's interesting. So, one of the key things that you get with contactless keyboards is that you will want to calibrate it occasionally. Now, some manufacturers have this done integrally. I think the Wooting does it more or less constantly. It just auto zeros itself. And that's really good. On some, there is no option for calibration, or you have to do it very complicatedly. I think old IBM keyboards, you kind of want to calibrate it occasionally, but there's no super easy method for doing so. However, on this one, it seems like calibration is not an automatic thing, but it is a manual thing that's built into the keyboard. Huh. Interesting. What else have we got? Let's see, some special keycaps. They look like Apple ones to me. Oh, what the hell was that? Stabilizers. Well, part of the stabilizers. That's the only part of the stabilizers they gave, by the way. Okay, whatever. Seems a bit random, but whatever. Quality inspection report in Chinese. I think that's a switch puller, not a keycap puller. Yeah, there you go, because there's also a keycap puller. Makes sense. Added to my vast collection by now of keycap and switch pullers. And a cable. Wow, this is one industrial looking motherfucker. It's not actually metal, this. This is just shiny metallic plastic. Okay, well, whatever. I think that's about it from this box. Let's take that out. Put that away. Right. Gonna try it out for a second. Oh, stay. There you go. Okay. So, okay, so it's got the same built-in cat on the video display. Well, tiny LCD screen here. Or is it OLED? I don't know. Whatever. That the other Keydous also had. Maybe now you can see the key legends a little bit better. At least I can, certainly. It's definitely more legible now. Although, I'm going to say up front, even though I don't want these unboxing videos to become reviews, I would have preferred it if it was just top legends, really. But let's see how it goes. Yeah, so linear. Yeah. Interesting. Well, I'm not going to put a bunch of buzzwords in this with, you know, thock and whatnot, but it's definitely got an interesting sound to it. Yeah, if you've watched a lot of my videos on keyboard sounds, then I think you'll recognize what the build of this keyboard is like. Yeah, exactly. I think you guys will know what I mean. So, anyway. Yeah, so during the review I'll definitely have to do a comparison between weight and especially smoothness compared to other contactless switches. I have to do some testing with the sensitivity. It definitely looks... it looks like it's quite sensitive right now. It doesn't feel like it's set at half travel right now, so it must be at a different travel. I think it said something about 0.8 being a preset as well. That seems more in line with what I'm seeing here rather than 2 millimeters. Yeah, it definitely feels like it. Anyway, so now I'm a bit more used to this layout as well. I had not covered a 98% keyboard before I did the other version of this, the electromechanical NJ98, and I found that this form factor, I should say, not layout, gave me a little bit of problems at first. We'll see how quickly I get used to it this time. Look is a little bit different from other Keydous keyboards I've reviewed so far, but it does have the same type of smooth volume knob here that the other models both also had, and this screen was also in the other NJ98. Well, in any case, I think there's a lot more details to go into, but I'll save that for this review. Because it seems like I've been rambling on for quite a while now. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Not entirely sure when this review is going to go out, and another one I wanted to review has hit a snag. So, there's been some delays, but it doesn't really matter. In any case, I'll see you guys when I'll see you guys, and talk to you later.